This is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So to start, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Accounts and Sync category and remove any Google accounts you have. Once this step is out of the way, get back to the main Settings menu, enter the Google category this time, then go for the Parental Controls option, Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next. Now you gotta sign into your child's Google account real quick, so let me quickly do that off the screen. Anyway, once the Google account was successfully signed or logged into, you will need to select it from the list over here and then input the credentials for another Google account. But this time, as you can see from over here, you will need to log into your parental Google account, or to put it in other terms, the Google account you're going to use to supervise your child's activity. So let me quickly do that as well. Input all the credentials for my parent or parental Google account. Then after you do that, you should be forwarded to the About Supervision page, which you gotta scroll all the way down and input the child's Google account password once again. Then tap at the Agree button to your bottom right. Allow the supervision by going for the respective Allow option at this dialog window, and then wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked. Once this step is out of the way, hit the Next button. The following page allows you to prematurely manage your child's app access, disable some of the apps you do not want your child to, be able to use, but you will be also able to do that later on and with greater convenience and precision even, so there is no need to stop at this step at this point in the setup, so I'll just skip this step and will not modify anything. The same can be said about managing filters and settings. And from here, if the device that is highlighted over here is the same phone or tablet you will use to supervise your child, you can tap at the Install Family Link button and the required app will be automatically downloaded and installed on your parental device. If not, you can absolutely just skip this step, finish the setup, and then manually download the Family Link app from the Play Store. So that's the route that I'm going to take. So here is my parental device. Let me just change one small thing real quick. So here's my parental device. I will, as I've said, download the Family Link app from the Play Store. After this step is done, you will obviously need to launch the Google Family Link app. Then over here, make sure to sign in with the parental Google account if you have multiple Gmail accounts added to your system. And inside the Google Family Link, you have access to a bunch of very useful controls, such as setting up the daily device usage limits or downtime routine for your supervisee. You can also manage the app activity, tailor it, and gain total control over your child apps, as I've promised you earlier. So here is the control for that. Then you can also apply and install content settings or content restrictions and age filters rather. You can also configure your child account settings, manage devices if you have multiple people to look after. You can also monitor your child's live location if necessary, and if the location permission is set up on the child's devices and then see your child's device usage highlights as well, which will simply contain the most important part from your child's day. Alrighty, so that will be it as far as setting up parental controls on this Redmi smartphone goes. We highly appreciate your attention, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.